问。 we're walking through the main food area of Pacific Mall, looking for a place to get some food.
Yeah.
There's a lot to choose from.
It's a lot of different smells here, so there must be some yummy stuff. Can you smell it?
Yeah, yeah. I think we have to have a little bit of a strategy about this and just try
A few different things.
a few different things.
Ooh, look at all this stuff.
All right, we have our work cut out for us. Let's find something to eat.
Yeah,
Less
lunch.
talking, more eating.
It's lunchtime. They gave me a beeper. Isn't that fancy? The Onigiris. I'm looking forward to it. I don't think I've ever had one.